In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Evernote as PDF. This is really useful if you want to back up important notes, share them with someone who doesn't use Evernote, or attach them to emails or documents in a consistent format. First, make sure you're using Evernote in your web browser. This method works best in a browser because it gives you access to the built-in print options that let you turn anything into a PDF. Go ahead and open the note you want to save. You can do this by signing into your Evernote account, navigating to your notebooks, and clicking on the specific note so that it's fully open on your screen. Take a moment to scroll through and confirm that everything you need is visible, including images, checklists, and any formatting. Once your note is open, look towards the top of the page for the More Actions button. This is usually represented by 3 vertical or horizontal dots. Click on those 3 dots to open a drop-down menu. In that menu, look for the option labeled Print and click it. Don't worry, we're not actually going to send this to a physical printer. We're just using the print function as a way to create a PDF. After you click Print, a print preview window will appear. This is where your browser shows you how the note would look on a printed page. In this window, find the setting labeled Destination or Printer depending on your browser. By default, it may show your normal printer. Click on that destination setting, and from the list of available options, choose Save as PDF. This tells your browser that instead of printing on paper, it should generate a PDF file. You can quickly scan the preview on the right side to make sure the note looks the way you expect. If your browser offers options like layout, pages, or margins, you can adjust those if needed, but it's usually fine to leave them at their default settings. When you're happy with how everything looks, click the Save button. A file dialog box will pop up, asking where you want to save your new PDF. Choose a folder that you'll remember, such as your desktop or a dedicated documents folder, and give the file a clear name so you can find it later. Finally, confirm by clicking Save again. Your Evernote note is now stored as a PDF on your computer, ready to share, archive, or attach wherever you need it.